them I go do ya now. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Yo, big man, a prank, big man. Whoa, put up your gun, big man. Put up your gun, big man. A prank, brother.
Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know the thing of the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. But people, you see the pranksters them, but I tell you like, some of them really make you laugh. You understand, have a good times. You get what me I say? Some of them really know how to prank. But you see some of them the people are troublemaker in the street. Zine, a problem them in the street. Them they are not prank. You get me? Well, this youth named Manny, very good prankster. You understand? The man a couple others, they have 6 and few more of them. I do watch them people and do enjoy, get a laugh sometime. One name ticks, you know? Because I love, you know what I mean? I love watch them and support them like them things, you know, my people. But when we want to say to them prankster, yeah, we have to really be careful in the street. Zine? Yes, we have to be careful in the street. Because this man was jumpy like that, you know. And him take you out. Me now go say I go beat it, but you could have slap on your face with them thing. You get what me I say? You have to be careful in the street. Because when you come to approach a man certain way, and the man comes and rise it, and you go say, oh, hold on there. A prank. No sign of works of a certain people. You know works because yo, people not take no check nowadays in the street. You know, see how things are going in Jamaica, you know, see how the street are run. See? So, yo, I can't tell you this, youths, I understand, I know I do no pranks, I know I do this, I do that. But you have to be careful in the street. Remember the attacking boss telling you, you have to be careful in the street. See? Jaja see, Jaja knows. Me would like to hear the news, and yes, yo. Prankster get wet up, prankster get caught up, prankster in a hospital, or prankster this, prankster that. You know what I mean? Me no want to hear them do something there. But I want to, I can tell them, I say, some of you so now prank, and I prank them there. Them they are real troublemaking. See? Prank no go so. You get what I say? Them they are real troublemaking, and not say the person who now make trouble with you know. I go do feel it. But imagine, say you have your mother now, elder lady. You know, she go do her business naturally upon the street. See? And when she go on the street now, uno go take set on the poor local man now, honestly. And me go see my mother me love so much on her, mock her and put her out there for media and this and that and honestly, and everybody go take them things lightly, you know, youth. Uno have to be really careful. See? Me now wish I say nobody for do uno nothing, but a reality of the thing, uno have to be careful. See? Me understand you no want to eat no bread, you no want to make no money, you no want to eat no food. Which everybody want to make their food on the tube and thing. You know what I mean? You don't have to do nothing, man. See, but as I say, you don't have to just do nothing with more caution and be careful. You understand? Because some people pray things different. Me we pray with sense and pray. So, you know what I'm saying? I joke them and make a fun thing, man, a prank. But some people take a thing different. I will see it happen over and over. You understand? And me really like you said, nothing I'm to no, coyote. See? Because I respect the fact for don't say, you not do nothing or not make no bread. You understand? For the two, because food they can't eat or not make no food, and someone now put it to use, some me now put it to use a food or thing. Me not be so no matter. Me can't tell nobody how to do them thing, a food no money. Saying, but all me can say is careful in the street where they not go round and not do them something. Yeah. Just be careful because see there, you know what I mean? Big up to the youth, money. Very good youth. Good them prank them. You know what I mean? One of them youth they were do prank for a very long time. You know what I mean? But sometimes you never know, as them say, it's never too late for your shower rain. Man. I wish bad for nobody, but youth, you know be careful in the street. But people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know, say the attacking boss himself in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I may say more love, more respect, and more blessings of people. And thanks, the love, the like, the share, and the comments them. Remember to please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK production official attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Enough love, enough respect. One team, one squad.